Yeah, here the boom loader. This boom loader is a Caterpillar. Okay. 580. Model 580. So about the problem of this boom loader, it is starting, but it is getting low. Oh, see, that's a model. Okay. So the problem is when you started, it is start. But the problem, the power of engine is getting weak or low. So based on my analysis, the problem is a lack of fuel. Okay. So now I forget to show for everyone the videos when I get testing how how is it happen or what happened once after I started. So the acceleration is not racing up, stay on idle. So in this process of work, we will try to do the best we can. So I think we need to replace the fuel line. So some parts of the hose, like for example, is, as you can see, this is a crack. So there's a chance they sucking a fuel, but not complete. So sometimes they suck an air. It is good without load. Can accelerate, but slowly. The acceleration is slowly up. So I'm already inspected the wire. The wire is also good. Ah, now I just wanted to tell. This is almost the same with the 320 engine. Okay, as you can see, this is the neutral. Oh, the ground. Sorry, black. This black number 200, and the power supply. It is for red color 150. It's 150. Okay. So anyone who do not know how to troubleshoot about the ECM, you have to make it sure that the both black and red will be properly connected or it is empowered. The red color also permanently supply, see, 4 pieces, and the neutral or the ground, it is also 4 pieces. See, to put diesel little inside the hose, maybe it must have some dust, killing. Okay, this side of a socket is going to injector and all the sensors, and then this side it is the power supply and command going to the monitoring system. Okay, and then also they have a separate ACM, so you can see this box, that's a controller here inside this box, so you can see the harness there, this box, and extra ACM controller. This a controller for the whole machine. So I will see after. I will show you also. Now they already replaced the fuel hose. The main pipe came from the filter. Okay, this is the lifting pump. See, we will see how that is again, maybe the problem is there done. I think today my voice is something changed because yesterday night we drink too much soft drinks, Pepsi. Okay, again, the power supply is in Caterpillar 580 bomb loader or telehandler. This is 150 power supply. There is a permanent positive. Okay, and then about the other one, the ignition key. The ignition key supply. Okay, in this video also I will put the identification for the ignition key to energize the system and then ready to start. Okay, 150 positive. There is a 4 wire red color and 200 black color. See, and 150. So this side is going to the monitoring system and to the extra ACM. I think there's a little damage. See that? So some damage. I think it's not reached the wire. Okay. So this type of engine, if you are not familiar or doing troubleshooting, you will become crazy. Yeah, Navid? If you are not familiar by troubleshooting of this engine, then into you seem crazy, huh? Ah, Nabido?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So, and also, if you are confused about the electrical wiring, you know my style for troubleshooting of electrical. I look all the wires or the harness on the place where that possible vibrating opposite direction by the vibration of the engine. Okay, like for example this wire. If the engine is moving there, must be the wire will be not move or stay in one place. Or else if they vibrate separately or opposite direction, same like that. So there is a chance the harness will be damaged due to the scratching both facing of the, like for example in this ACM, so the other side is hard and then the harness is like rubberized or what, more chances that the wire will be damaged or contacting to the body, same as a short circuit. So you have to inspect also this wire. So I think I have to put as you can see the wire is hung. We'll have to put cable tie or else, as you can see some wire is hung. I'll have to put cable tie on each wires to make it sure that the wire it is secure, will not be damaged by the vibration. As you can see inside, so this wire have chance to be damaged. So we have to make it sure that the wire will be in proper connection. As you can see, this is the booster intake pressure sensor. Okay. And then this is a timing sensor for a fuel distribution on the injector. And then the injector socket, the other side injector socket, temperature, water temperature, and fuel oil pressure. The other one is hydraulic temperature sensor. It is already broken, but it's okay. This machine is still running even though hydraulic pressure sensor is damaged. Pressure sensor, sorry. It is temperature. Okay, apart from on this troubleshooting, ano bid, you'll when we start, try to hold the return.
Yes. Yes.
Try to hold by your finger, huh? I will start it. Maybe the return valve is also loose. Okay, I'm also confusing. Maybe this return valve. It is also uh, the return. It's heavy or too much. So there is a chance also that the acceleration will be less. Low power is same as low power. Okay, I'm going to start now. Bend, 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 bend,
No, no, no.
bend, bend. There is a fuel line return. Or you put here.
This
Include.
no include quickly this gallon empty. After this return here gallon no quickly empty.
Have sim.
No problem. This pen.
Now I have to pump it. Oh, easily hard. You already pumped before?
No,
No.
no, no.
Oh, it's hard now.
Yeah, no. Only fixing part, no part.
Start ka raw. Finish?
Finish.
Finish, finish. New style Last mata screw sawa-sawa Kalas, 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 kalas. That's only return. Okay. We're going to start. Start. Do not hold too much. You just release little. Like that. It's suddenly stopped. So I'm going back to the cabin to start. I think the heel coil uh, it is when I touch it before, so it's getting loose. So let's see. I think now it's getting powered because we use a separate gallon. Oh, again lost power. Nabid! Nabid! Woo! Nabido! Hold the return! Return, hold! Told them to hold the return because the acceleration is not. So you can hear the engine. I put the pedal in a pull, but the engine is slowly raised. That's the problem, see? There's no reaction when I put on the gear. Again, I will stop. Then we will see. See? Ah! Start, start! Okay, we'll stop little the video. So no, don't worry. I will explain everything. What will happen once we found the problem? Okay. At least in this video, I already explained some way or some reasons how that it's happened to the engine. That engine, common rail type engine. Okay. See, slowly raise. Even the pedal. Must be the engine will be raised once the pedal push one time slowly. Okay, now based on my observation, I think the transmission they have a protection, but now it is in a good power. It's in good power now. Unlike before, when you put gear and then in just a few seconds, little acceleration. See, see the RPM is good now. But the secret that we have then, you will see. We will show you how. What? I think there is some little damage of wire, and then also that's good. See again, it is getting power now. Okay, that's a good news now. And then you know what? I will tell you something. This is a secret that we have there. Okay, anyone will be in related this topic. What we have also the So what to do now? We're going to return the main part, fuel pipe. So return. I think that's all. I will see after. The operator is going to testing. Okay. And then he's a mechanic. And he is the people who mastermind of this traveler. Okay. And then they are operator. Okay. Now inshallah in this work will be continuously work in good condition. Okay. Stuff. We'll return all the fuel line. Before that, Navid, after that, after fixing, so we will release this one side of this pipe,
Okay.
the supply. So
Check.
we'll try pump. Check the fuel. There's no what we call suction leak. Okay, that's all. I think this is maybe someone will think it's not a good problem. Know what I mean? It's just as a simple problem. Because of cable tie, the problem is solved. Oh my goodness.
AC ने तो 10 मान लगा ही नहीं है